Hello. Today I am going to show how we can find recently watched videos on Facebook. Okay, on mobile app from mobile app. For that, we need to open our Facebook app. We need to open and we need to log in. I have already logged in here. So after opening your Facebook app, and you need to click on menu. Okay, then here you will see the setting and privacy. At setting and privacy you will see another settings. Just click on settings, then just scroll down, then here you will see your activity lock. Then these are your locks what you recently did. Okay, here you can see your group posts, like and reactions, your comments, group search history, video you watched. Here is the video you watched. So here, if you click here, you will see your recently watched your videos from this mobile app with this account. Okay, so in this way guys, you can see your recently watched videos on your Facebook app from mobile. Okay, I will repeat one. Okay, just open your mobile app, Facebook app on mobile, then click on button right on menu, then click on settings and privacy. Where is this? Setting and privacy, then settings, then just scroll down and find activity log. Add the category, just see the video search, not video search, just video watched. Okay, then these are the video source, also the recently searched videos. Okay, but the videos that you recently watched is these are the videos you just recently watched, guys. In this way guys, in this way you can find which video just recently watched from your Facebook app on mobile. Thank you.